This is awesome. You know, in the collectible toy cars, the king of the castle is Hot Wheels. Die-cast cars are produced by using the die-casting method, and some of the most popular die-cast cars are
Hot Wheels.
The toy company Mattel debuted Hot Wheels in 1968 as a competitor to the British-made Matchbox cars.
Metal cars built for speed.
Models can fetch a wide variety of prices, from $2 to $100. The most expensive Hot Wheel ever sold is a 1969 pink rear-loading Beach Bomb at $175,000. There's hundreds and hundreds of cars here, and it's just gonna take time to go through because some of these can be really valuable. So far, nothing valuable, but sometimes they discontinue cars. For example, Hot Wheels lost their license to make Ferraris. So if you can find any of the Ferraris, those are worth more money. And we can't let that kind of value slip through our fingers. Besides the die-cast cars, I haven't found the big ticket items that I'm looking for. Oh yeah, here we go, guys. Skateboard decks. We've got Keith Meek, Santa Cruz deck. Looks like Frankenstein. We've got Creature and another Santa Cruz board. Stranger Things edition. This could be really collectible. This is what I'm talking about. Since the 1970s, skateboarding has been an international phenomenon, influencing fashion and culture and growing into a global industry now worth around $2 billion. Skateboard decks range in price, but the highest sale ever was in 2018 when a deck featuring artist Damien Hirst's signature post painting sold for $1.6 million. Creature Fiend Club, limited number 163 out of 200.
Okay.
Limited edition skateboard decks.
Mike, when did you pose for this? You can't be holding out, man. That's not fair, man.
Thank you, Kalen. These decks are exactly what we were hoping for. These could fetch hundreds of dollars each. We've got 4 bins full of cars. There are some limited edition Hot Wheels here that are quite valuable. And I have the perfect buyer. We've got hundreds of cars. She's also interested in our skateboard decks, so I threw them in as a package deal.
So what are you guys looking at?
I'm gonna do $2 a car, so that's $100 a bin. Like, there's some real value here, and you recognize that. $3,000 for all of them, plus the skateboard decks. I pulled out 6 cars, and just in those 6 cars, it was over $70 of value.
And we got a deal.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Ultimately, we need to have buyers show up and spend big piles of cash. $3,000 gets us closer to our goal, but the reality is, I have a lot more work to do.